what seeds should beginners start for direct sowing? I'm going to introduce you what seeds I think that you as a beginner should try out the first time you are trying to direct sow anything in your garden. So let's go. First up, an herb, cilantro. This is the easiest thing to start when you're a beginner. You just pop it into the ground and it self-seeds. Give it a try. And next up we have peas. Very easy to grow, beginner friendly. Spinach, my favorite. I think I started about 2 beds of spinach and lettuce solely when I first started gardening. Beans, super simple. They're really cool to actually watch grow and sprout out of the ground. So beginner friendly, try it. Carrots, also direct sow. What direct sowing means is you take the seed right out of the packet and you pop it into the soil. Last but not least, lettuce. My favorite, give it a try. Don't forget to follow so you can catch my series that I'm starting in January on what you should be growing indoors as a beginner.